All right guys, here we are, day 3 of the cleanup. You can see the pool's actually crystal clear. All the sediment's gone to the bottom of the pool, which is exactly what we wanted to. A couple of cartridge filter changes that we've done along the way, but the pool is definitely where we want it to be. So today, what we're going to do is vacuum the debris or the silt that's in the bottom of the pool to waste. Now, unfortunately, we don't have a sand filter here, so we do have to use a 3-way bypass valve. I'll run you through that in a second. We're going to get the cleaner, all the manual cleaning equipment hooked up, get it pumping out to waste, and very quickly try and get as much of that debris out of the pool while the water's still in the pool, because we will lose probably about 1 inch to 2 inches of water while we're vacuuming to waste. We also have the hose in the pool. Yes, we have checked with local regulations as we're allowed to top it back up. So that's all good. So let's get into it. All right guys, so what we're going to do here is, because it's a cartridge filter system, we are going to vac it to waste. This is using the bypass valve. So we're going to open this very slowly, and what that now does is going to open that line to go completely out the waste line, which is going to go across the backyard, and that's how we're going to get a lot of this dirt, sediment and silt out of the pool. All right guys, so we've just finished vacuuming to waste. You can see the pool, we've got a lot of the debris out, a lot of the silt, pretty much 90% of it, which is ideal. Now, when you're vacuuming to waste, you've got to keep in mind, the water level in the pool, because you do reduce the water level when you vacuum to waste, which we have done so here. It's nearly about 2 to 3 inches, which is fine. We're halfway up the level of the skimmer box. It's where the ideal water level, or maybe a little bit more, should be anyway. So what we're going to do now is come in, empty our skimmer basket. You can see there's a lot of dirt and debris in there, so we'll grab that out. And then we're also going to do the same with the pump basket. That's where obviously the debris is caught. So we'll clean those out, put it back onto normal operation, so your normal filtration setting, and then continue just finishing off the vacuum, give the pool a brush, and then let the filter do its thing. All right, here we are, end of day 3. We've vacuumed the pool, all of the debris out to waste, which has been unreal. A little bit cloudy, because what we've done now is brush the pool. We didn't vacuum the walls or anything, just being mindful of the water level, which we're nearly back to ideal. So I gave the pool a brush, stirred up all the last of the algae and the gunk that was on the floor. That will now go through the pool's normal filtration cycle. So the filter's in, it's going, recirculating back to the pool, which is fantastic. We'll come back here tomorrow, do our final vac, add some more chemicals, and it should be looking crystal clear.